Hello everyone, I am back again with another woodworking project. I'm really enjoying these right now. So today I'm sharing how I made my daughter's desktop. We had the original IKEA desktop, which was just a veneered piece of, well, I think it was MDF or something, but it was just too wide. So it was just really awkward to get around the door and to open her wardrobe. So I thought I would make her a new desktop. First, I took some planed timber planks and I laid them out to decide which side would be the top. I kept having to think that actually it's the other side that was going to be the top, so I had to get my head around that to make sure that I had everything the right way round. I then drew a semicircle on them so it would be easy for me to match them back up together later. I then measured out the length of the desktop that I wanted. I just went for a desktop shade over 1 metre, which I think is plenty for her, and then I cut them to size using my miter saw. I'm so looking forward to working in my workshop so I don't have to make a mess in the kitchen using my miter saw anymore. Next, I took my Kreg jig and spent some time setting the correct depths for the wood. I clamped the jig using my new clamp and then I drilled each pocket hole. In the end, I drilled about 4 along each length, facing in both directions to make sure that I gave it lots of strength. I did roughly sand each pocket hole as I went. I am new to doing this, so they're not perfect. I did repeat this then for all of the planks. The next step was to screw the planks together, and I used 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. Again, I can't wait until I can clamp everything together properly in the workshop, but I just did what I could with what I had. Once I'd repeated this all along the desktop, I gave it a really good sand using 80 grit sandpaper down to 120 grit and 180 grit sandpaper. I did round off the edges just gently so that there wouldn't be any sharp corners in her bedroom. To finish the top, I used the Wilko Dark Oak Satin Stain and I applied 2 coats. Finally, I fitted the legs. These were really simple Adil's legs from IKEA. They have a small amount of height adjustment, but I knew that they would fit well because I was using the IKEA drawers on the other side. Lastly, I set everything up. I used a fixing plate at the back against the drawers to give the desktop some stability. I am really pleased with the desktop. Emily still has lots of space to work, but it's much easier to get to her wardrobe and to walk into the room. I am hoping that these videos will give you the confidence to have a go, as it's great to be able to make things yourself. Thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, then please subscribe and I'll be seeing you again soon. Bye.